Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to change currency on the Expedia app. So first of all, you need to open up the Expedia app on your mobile device. And then, from the home screen, tap on this account icon in the bottom right corner. Over here, you'll see an option related to currency preference within the account section. Now to change your preferred currency, you need to change your region. For example, if you want to switch from dollars to pounds, you need to select United Kingdom as your region. So to choose your desired currency, you simply need to tap on this region option and then select your desired region from the drop-down menu. And once you're done with that, you'll be able to view prices and make bookings in your preferred currency. Well, that's how you change currency on the Expedia app. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.